first highlight is when I got to visit the terminals and the cross docks and the warehouses to actually talk to the shop floor people to understand their pain points and how we can help them. And this really made me feel that I'm here to create impact and change, and so that's very memorable. The second highlight was simply spending time with colleagues. I was very new to Singapore. These people were super friendly, like genuinely caring for you, and I think also in stressful times, working with genuinely kind people really helps. The last highlight is obviously when you receive a full-time offer after the internship, because A, it means your hard work has paid off, which is very good. And secondly, that's the reason why I was here for 3 years. One of the things I really like about DHL Consulting is that we use insights colors. What are insights colors? So they are colors that illustrate your personality type. And for me, this is very helpful because I understand myself. Why am I good at something? Why am I under stress in certain situations? And I get to process it and I become very self-aware. And growing as a manager, I think it also helps me in understanding my team and how every individual in my team is motivated in a different way and what can I do as a manager to cater to their needs. So for me, the insights colors, I think, are wonderful. I am green and blue, which means I am a caring, introverted people person and very analytical. Next step is relocating to Miami, the Miami office of DHL Consulting. I'm very excited for two main reasons. First, I will be able to experience different types of projects, so more external projects, supply chain, logistics related projects, so that's very exciting. Secondly, I will step in more of a people leadership and management role, which is my passion. And so for these two reasons, I'm very excited for the relocation.